Hello and welcome to your very first Java programming tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how we could download the Java JDK, which stands for Java Developers Kit, so that you could run your first Java program on your computer. So the first thing which we need to do is that you actually need to download the Java JDK from the Java's official website so that you could run your Java applications or you could run your Java program. So in order to download the Java JDK, you simply go to Google and you type in download Java JDK, hit enter, and as you could see, the first link which pops up is going to be the download link for the Java JDK. So we simply open it up, and now as you could see, we are presented with two options. The first option is going to be for downloading Java, and the second option is going to be for downloading NetBeans. Now in this case, we are going to select this option right here to download Java JDK. So we simply select it. And as you could see, when we select that option, we are redirected to a new page. Now, if we scroll down right here, you could notice that this option right here is the option which we are going to select. So if you're working with the Windows 64-bit PC, we are going to select this option right here. And if you're working with the Windows 32-bit PC, then we are going to go with this option right here. Before selecting it, we actually need to accept the license agreement. So simply select this button right here or this checkbox. And once we select it, you could simply click on the download link right over here. And also make sure that if you're using Mac or Linux, you download the relevant versions to it. So in this case, as I'm using the Windows 64-bit version, I'm going to select this, and once you select it, your download is going to start here. But I'm going to cancel my download, and that is because I already have Java installed on my computer. So once the JDK is finished downloading, you could simply open up this exe file, and actually it is going to guide you through the installation process of the Java JDK. And once the installation process is ready, we have successfully set up the Java JDK. Now in order to check if you have successfully downloaded or you have successfully installed the Java JDK on your computer, so in order to cross verify it, you could simply go to your computer, go to C, go to program files, and we are going to have a folder which is called as Java. So if we select this folder right here, as you could see, this folder right here is the JDK which we have downloaded. So if we go to JDK and bin, as you could see, from the JDK folder, we have successfully downloaded and installed the Java JDK. Now once this is set up, we are actually good to go, and we are ready to download our next application, which is the integrated development environment for Java. So once we have finished downloading and installing the Java JDK, we could proceed and install the next application, which is the IntelliJ IDEA, which is an integrated development environment for writing Java code. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you guys understood how to download and install Java JDK on your computer and how to finally verify that the JDK is actually installed on your computer. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.